Well, welcome back, everybody. What? Were you guys not here yesterday? Did you not know that the front end came off this car? I'm just joking. I know about 75% of you guys were here yesterday and seen me take the front end module off this car. I got a lot of comments from you guys asking me how my hand was. The answer is, it's okay. It's doing good. Today we will be doing the draw for the steering wheel steering wheel giveaway for the Buick. Where did I put that steering wheel? Here it is. So today will be the draw for this, so we'll go inside after this is done and do the draw. Remember, the winner gets his name on it and say thank you very excuse me, holy, thank you very much for watching. So we'll make sure we get this out and in the mail, and you get a free Zacks Workshop sticker with it. But with the front end kind of torn apart on it and still sitting on the ground over there and the mess everywhere, we're going to go through this car today and take most of it apart. My plan is front passenger seat, front carpet, rear seats, rear carpet, trunk, tail lights, window glass. I want all the rims and tires off so I can see what plastic's underneath it. These windows, because I was told when you take off the door panels, these windows have to come out. Pretty much all that. We might dive a little bit into the dash, but not too much. We're not going to cut any wires today. We're just going to unplug some stuff, make sure this thing still runs. All this stuff's got to come off, all the no drips. And yeah, that's what our plan is today. All the stuff will be going outside into our rear-wheel drive van that I can't really run anywhere here in Ontario. So when I say I can't run it anywhere, Impact hasn't came out with their rules yet, so I don't know. Thrill Show will not let me run this with rear-wheel drives. Edge will not let me run this with vans or trucks. And the company I run, Mom's Motorsports, I can run this in the van truck class, but can't run my own shows. So we're just going to throw all this interior inside of it. So let's get stripping. I'm going to do a giant time lapse. I'm going to make a pile out of the tires. Sorry, I got a little something jammed in my throat, I guess. I'm going to pull this thing apart. You guys ready to go? Yeah, I am too. Here we go. You guys are going to laugh at me. I've never had one of these Ford Fusions on the road, or even a Taurus on the road, or even a Derby car Taurus before. I just spent 20 minutes trying to fold down these seats, only to find they're in the trunk. Look at, how sneaky is that? God, I spent 20 minutes trying to fold those seats down. Oh well. Let's get these seats out of here now. It took 20 minutes, let me just grab a light, to get the rear seats out. And get the rear door out. Now, here's my intake on this rear door. Everything comes apart super easily. Even the electrical goes on the outside of the door. So I'm not really worried about that. What I am worried about is these smaller door inserts. These are not very thick. I thought they'd be thicker than this. Luminas and Toyota Camrys actually have round bars they put in there. Same as Honda Civic, so I'm not sure why Ford skipped out and just put these expanded steel in there. I can easily fish this wiring back through. Everything unplugged super easily. Came apart super nicely. The only one that I cut was to the speaker, so I'm not too worried about that. Now I want to show you this. I probably could have taken out these seats a lot quicker if I had just undone these mounts. But I'm a firm believer that anything that goes through the floor and has a giant washer is going to help hold the car together. So I actually cut the mounts, and then I'm going to take a hammer and fold them over, same as the other side, so that these floors are kind of held together with the brackets that hold in the seats. Because if the engineers design it to hold seats in, it's obviously got to be strong. So let's get back to stripping it. We're going to move to the trunk, and then we're going to do the rear passenger door. So it's taken me about 1 hour, and I've got this door completely stripped and all the wiring kind of starting to be pulled back. I've got all the wiring that went up here out, duct taped up out of my way. All the seats out like you guys seen the other day, the carpet out to the seats. Now, this right here is all the wiring from the trunk. There was a ground wire, so I've reattached the ground wire, but everything has been fed back up from the trunk through that hole. So there is no wiring in the trunk now. Some things that I did come across, I started to find some airbags coming up across my door pillars. I just unplugged where it plugged into them on both sides. So starting to find a whole bunch of airbags already. Don't know what I'm going to do with all those. Back here at the back, I've got pretty much everything done. Like, as you guys can see, there is no electrical back here anymore. Everything's been cleaned out. Now this is a system that I use for cars I don't know a lot. I don't cut any wires, I just unplug stuff. As you can see, here's my ABS. And this plug right here went to that ABS. See the color matching? Unplug it. Don't cut it, just unplug it. Same as all my airbags, I just unplugged them. I didn't cut them, I just unplugged them. Now I assume that this one that goes underneath the Sawzall into the floor, let's see if I can grab it, right there. I assume that is evap, so that's emission stuff, so that will probably all come back up through that hole. My main positive and negative to my gas tank and my fuel pump comes right up through here. Now I will not be running the stock tank inside this car, so it will be coming up on the inside. But I've moved a lot of wiring, and I've unplugged a lot of things. So let's see what goes on here. Let's turn the key to the on position. Okay, so left rear door ajar. Yep, that's true, right? Nope, that one's closed. Oh, that's because I unplugged it. Check charging system. Check brake system. Check right headlight. Left headlight. Check engine light starting to flash. Door ajar. It's just starting to repeat itself. Let's see if she fires up, okay? Oh, that was pretty nice. It's going off crazy because it thinks the brakes are on, the ABS light, the airbag lights all lit up, seatbelt lights are all lit up, high beams. I can fix that one. Yes, I got a light to go out in the dash. But I've pretty much cut a lot of this stuff out of here, seatbelt wise, and unplugged a lot of safety equipment. So I'm happy this thing still runs because that's a pretty big bonus. But she's coming together now. As you can see, I found where the oil is leaking from the transmission. So this one here that's still sputing a bit, that's my power steering, and I've got to take that all the way over to here. So that's got a little bit of a way to go. I don't know if I'm going to run that or not, but she runs. She idles. I don't know if it drives, but it's up on the hoist. But I do have to drive it ahead a bit now because I got to strip the front of the car and I can't really open the doors. So that's the next step. So thank you everybody for watching. We're getting this thing stripped and it's coming along pretty good. And I'm excited. I'm a little let down with how the front end looks, but whatever, still gonna derby it. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow. And like well, guess what time it is? It's giveaway time. Do you guys remember what you're winning? We'll get this steering wheel shipped to them for free. It'll also come with a Zacks Workshop t-shirt, and I will personalize the wheel with your name and saying congratulations, everything. So let's see those comments come in. So let's see how many comments we got. We got quite a few. I've just gone through them all tonight. I've emailed, I've texted everybody back, messaged all the comments back. And here we go. How many people do we have entered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 people in this contest is not really bad for a contest that is giving away a steering wheel and only had 7 days to get your entries in. So, let's do the draw and see who wins this. All the entries are being tossed in. Good stir. And the winner is Cole. So make sure you give me a message, Cole, and claim your steering wheel. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.